Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view your activity on TikTok. So you are just going to select those three lines on the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy, then under content and display you're going to select activity center. Now there used to only have the app only used to have watch history available, but this you actually need to go to activity center first right here. So there's three options you can choose from. There's watch history, comment history, and search history. So if you want to view your activity, just select watch history, for instance, and you'll find the videos that you've watched. If you go to comment history, you'll find the comments that you've basically commented on people's posts. And then last one, you have search history, and you'll have you'll be able to see the stuff you searched before. As you can see, I've been searching about Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!